Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a full glute workout. So starting out with this RDL, let's grab the barbell, roll it to our shins, pinch our shoulder blades, drop our butt, pick the weight up safely. From here, keeping the shoulder blades pinched back, slight bend in the knee, and let's push our butt back till we feel a stretch in our hamstring. Try to keep the bar on the leg the whole time. Grab the dumbbells. Let's get on a step. From here, we step back. Once we get our footing back here, back knee straight down, and then up and back onto the box. For the Bulgarian split squat, let's get our 1 foot out, about split squat distance from the attachment. Put the back foot on, and then now from here we're dropping that back knee straight down and coming up. And then now from here, let's grab the mini band. Bring the mini band up around our knees. Feet shoulder width apart. Butt back and down. We're going to about a half squat and force those knees out. And let's hold it for 30 seconds. So to start off with the hip thruster, get the bar centered on your body, shoulder blades pinched, lock your back into the bench. You want to keep this weight right over your hip bone. Bring your knees in. Because we have the band, we're going to push our knees out. Back, lock the back in. Hips up to here, and then back down. Get in our bridge position, feet a little wider than shoulder width, pinch the shoulder blades, hips up, and now force those knees out, and let's hold this for 30 seconds. Now there's a quick tutorial of our full glute workout. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Glute workout, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.